In this clip, the laboratory setup of gas liquid absorption is shown. The main components of this setup involved in gas liquid absorption are a liquid reservoir. The liquid phase is preferably the sodium hydroxide solution of known concentration. This sodium hydroxide solution is pumped through a variable speed pump which maintains the flow rate of liquid phase. For the gaseous phase, which is preferably the pressurized carbon dioxide, this carbon dioxide is supplied from this cylinder to the apparatus. The carbon dioxide from the cylinder is passed through this rotameter, and this second rotameter is for the air which supplied from the compressor. The chief component of this setup is the packed column. The packing is done here is in random way with racing rings. The gas and liquid phase flows inside the column in a counter current way, with liquid phase from top to bottom and gas phase from bottom to top. The next chief component is the bubbling pot, in which the liquid phase is initially present and the excess carbon dioxide from the packed column is allowed to pass through the solution. The undissolved carbon dioxide from the bubbling pot is allowed to escape to the atmosphere. So this is all about the components of this setup that is involved in gas liquid absorption. Now let's start the experiment. The sodium hydroxide solution from the reservoir is pumped through the variable speed pump. A rotameter in series is connected with this pump. This rotameter measures the flow rate of the liquid phase. The sodium hydroxide solution is pumped to the top of the packed column, and the pressurized carbon dioxide along with the air is allowed to flow from the bottom of the column. The mixture of sodium carbonate and unreacted sodium hydroxide is allowed to flow out from the bottom of the column, and from the top of the column the excess unreacted carbon dioxide is allowed to flow in the bubbling pot, where initially sodium hydroxide is present and carbon dioxide, which is undissolved from the bubbling pot, is allowed to escape in the atmosphere. So at a specified interval of time, the liquid samples are collected from the column as well as from the bubbling pot for the titration.